Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty. Today's video is a really fun one, and that's because I'm going to do a full face using only my mom's makeup. My mom has quite a lot of makeup, but I think almost all of it is my fault and was bought because of me, or I recommended it to her, or a lot of this I gave to her. So it's kind of going to be fun to play around with some old products and some new ones because she has a lot of stuff that I've actually never tried. Let's get straight on to this video. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Everything will be in the down bar. And yeah, let's get on to this full face using only my mom's makeup. So to just kind of show you guys what my mom has, the desks she has and uses for her makeup, the drawers come out. So she has one drawer for her makeup and everything is in here. So I just pulled it out and it's right in front of me, and I'm just going to be digging into it and start using some of these products. And I'm kind of going to try to do it how she does it, if that makes sense. So I am going to start off with primer, and she does have primer. She loves the Professional by Benefit. I actually haven't used this in quite some time. I have the new pink illuminated one that I use like time to time, but I haven't used the classic regular Professional. This is a fresh brand new one. She hasn't even opened this. I bet you she doesn't even know she has it. So I'm just going to take that on my finger and apply it in this area of my face. I zoomed you guys in quite a bit. I just felt like you were a little too far. So for foundation, my mom has two options. She has many of the LA Girl Pro Coverage Illuminating foundation, and she has this because of me, because I love that foundation. It's probably my all-time favorite foundation. And she also has the Shape Tape matte version in light, medium, neutral, and I think I want to use this today. And to apply the foundation, my mom uses a sponge, but for this video I'm gonna try to do my makeup like her, and she doesn't wet this. She doesn't expand it, let it go underwater, so I'm gonna be trying to do my foundation without wetting this. I have used this foundation before, but it's actually not one that I really gravitate towards that often. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of oxidizing quite a bit. Like, there's more of a fresh swipe, and then down here it's really oxidizing. Applying the foundation with a sponge that isn't wet wasn't actually as bad as I thought it was going to be. It kind of took some more time, and it's not giving me quite the full coverage that this foundation usually does. But so far, foundation's looking good. Going along with the foundation, my mom also loves the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I got her hooked on this. She is obsessed. She loves it. She uses the shade Light Medium. Concealer is on and it is looking really nice. I actually am really enjoying how the base looks right now. To set my face, my mom uses the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is the shade Light Medium again. And she has this really cute Real Techniques brush, and it looks like it's never been used, so I'm about to get it all dirty for her. Oh my god. This powder looks so pink. And I'm so yellow right now, and like my skin tone's yellow, so this is about to be scary. Oh, it's not that bad. The powder was really nice. I myself love and adore that powder, so I'm glad she has that in her collection. And this brush is super nice too. I'm not sure which one it is, but it is Real Techniques, and it's one of, I guess it's a unicorn style, but it's like, it's dense, but it's still really soft, so it just packed on the powder really nicely. So for eyebrows, my mom does not do them, I think, ever. But I did get her this eyebrow gel by Essence. It's in the shade Soft Brownie Brows. Soft Brownie Brows. But I did buy this for her because she said she wanted to start doing stuff to her eyebrows. And I don't think she even knows she has it. But I am going to use it because I love this, but I use the darker shade, so I'm curious to see how this goes. Okay, the shade needs to be called Blonde or Taupe because that literally turned my brows like gray, ashy, really light blonde. Not soft brownie brown. It's like, it'll do. Moving it along to eyeshadow. She actually doesn't have her own eyeshadow because whenever she's going out and wants to wear any, she comes to me and says, please do my eyeshadow. She's so cute. The product that I will be using is not my mom's, but it is one that she loves and adores, and she really likes whenever I use this. I've been using this on her forever, and that is the classic Naked 3 palette, and these are the colors. As you can tell, it's a very loved palette, and you can probably tell what colors she likes me to use on her, but we're gonna create a look using all these colors, and yeah. Even though I'm using my eyeshadow, I am going to be using my mom's brushes. She has 3 eyeshadow brushes, and I actually gave these to her from a BoxyCharm, and I have a lot of other brushes that I didn't really need these, and she said she'd take them, so I gave them to her. These are by the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and there is step 1, step 2, and step 3. So I'm going to be using only these 3 eyeshadow brushes to create an eyeshadow look. To start off, I'm going to take step 1 of that little brush trio and dip into the color Liar. It is right here in the Naked 3 palette. And I'm just going to pack this on my lid. There's fallout. That is the Liar shade. It's a lot more purpley than I thought it was going to be, so I am going to put on Dust. It is the second color to kind of lighten it up a bit. I mean, that kind of helped the color. It kind of did nothing. Now I'm taking a step 2 of the brush set, and I'm going to be dipping into the 4th shade right here. It's a pinky matte color. I don't know what it's called because it's rubbed off, but I'm just going to put this in the crease and start fluffing out that lid color. That picked up so purple too. When it's literally like a dusty rose color, it's just coming up straight purple on me. I don't like these. I don't like this palette. It's really giving me a hard time, and the colors are not transferring well on me. Whenever I do my mom's makeup, I do like the lightest amount of eyeshadow. So I guess that's why it works so well with her. But on me, it's just... Whew. I'm going to try to sweep that eyeshadow away. It came off, but now I have all this glitter under my eye. So that's great. So now I'm taking step 3 of that brush set, and I'm going to dip into the second to last shade of the palette, and I'm going to smudge that on my lower lash line. Dipping into the palette, I'm going to take the first shade, and I remember this was like my favorite shade, and it's so white that I'm going to clean up the outer edge with that so it kind of makes a creamier, seamless look. Moving on to liner. I was gonna do the super cute pink look, hence why I have this super fuzzy cute pink shirt on, but I guess my mom really likes purple, so I'm just gonna go with it. I'm gonna use the waterproof Sephora crayon eye contour pencil, and this is in the shade 30. I feel like that was not what I thought it would be. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, and she has the e.l.f. eyelash curler. So for mascara, she has the Maybelline Big Shot Colossal Mascara. I've never tried this, and I remember buying this with her, and I've never tried it, and we got this like maybe 2 months ago, and I'm so excited that I get to try it right now. So I'm gonna apply that, let you know what I think. I really love this mascara. I feel like it made my eyelashes so big, and I feel like that's a problem I've been having recently because I've been wearing falsies so often that I feel like my eyelashes are just not the same as they used to be, but this just brought them back to life, and I feel so good. So for blush, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Becca face palette, and this was actually mine. I bought this, and it was one of the first palettes I've ever bought, and I seriously haven't looked at it in like almost 2 years, and it's just bringing back so many memories of when I bought it and when I first started using it, and it was one of the first couple of high-end things that I ever got, so it just brings back such happy memories, and just how far I've came in the beauty world and in my collection and how I do my makeup, because this is just making me feel really good. So I am going to be using this. I'm gonna try to contour with this shade. So let's see how this goes. That shade actually worked so nice as a bronzer contour shade, and I really like how this whole makeup is looking. Part of me says I should use this shade for blush, but I think this one matches my shirt kind of better. So I'm going to go with this shade. This is... I can't read the back. My mom also has this Real Techniques blush brush, so I'm going to dip into that and blush up my skin. This took a turn. It was so light, and then I really went in there. Might as well do the same to the other side. Moving on to highlighter, I'm going to be taking this other Real Techniques unicorn brush. It looks like this, and again, looks unused. But I'm going to be dipping into Champagne Pop from the Becca Jaclyn Hill palette. And I haven't used Champagne Pop in so long, and that was seriously my first high-end highlighter because I think that came out a year before this one. So I got that before this palette. So, wow. Does everybody remember when Champagne Pop came out and when Jaclyn talked about it and released it and introduced it and showed us? I feel like that was so long ago. Like, seriously, time flies so fast. I just remember being a lot younger than I am now, watching her YouTube video and just needing it so bad. I was like, oh my god, I need that. And that was when highlighters, like, just became a thing. Like, you know what I mean? Like, she really stepped it up in the highlighter game and kind of, like, launched the whole obsession off with this highlighter. So for lipstick, my mom has this Maybelline lipstick in 445 on the mauve, and it looks like a super purpley kind of metallic lip shade. So I initially went into this challenge wanting to do a bright, cute pop of pink look, but it went totally purple. So we're gonna use this lipstick and see how it is and what the color looks like. I don't know how to feel right now about this lipstick because I was not expecting this from the lipstick. I swapped out that lipstick for this Becca lip gloss that my mom has. It is the Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glow Gloss in the shade Topaz Glitz. This, again, is like a purpley, I mean, it's kind of purple. It's like purpley brown, but it has that blue shift to it. I just think my mom likes blue glitter in all her lipsticks. Anyway, that is the end of this video. This is the makeup I used using all of my mother's makeup, and props to her because she has great stuff. You're welcome. But I really enjoyed making this video, and it was really fun, and I actually really like how the makeup turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, and all my stuff will be in the down bar. So check it out. Check out the rest of my videos, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.